Good morning. Happy Friday, amigos. So who else has a weird little quirky side? I'm sure you guys can tell I'm very, very quirky. Like, I have so many quirks about me. Like, oh. But like, it's so hard for me to drink water, and I need to drink water. I live in Arizona. Like, we all need to drink water, right? Like, dehydration is a serious issue. So for me, I don't know who else, this might work for. But if I put my water in this freaking cup, for some odd reason, it's kind of splashing, I can actually drink more water if it's in this cup. So that's what I do. I just keep refilling that cup. But I just wanted to mention really quick, I know I told you guys that I go on TikTok quite a bit. And I just want you to, if you're interested, follow Big Mama. The little daughter Hadley is exactly who I am as a child. And I needed a mom like Big Mama. Watch them. Check them out.